Jolie Korie, Mororo. Number 7, that we affirm that political relationships are strengthened by mutual respect, reciprocity, solidarity, and trust. For decades, the people of Mount Kenya East have stood firmly with the leaders from Mount Kenya West. We therefore believe that the time has come for the people of Mount Kenya West to reciprocate that solidarity by supporting our own Professor Kithure Kindiki unconditionally as the Deputy President and in his future ambitions of becoming the first President of the Republic of Kenya from Mount Kenya East. Baumakeria, munakubaliana? Meragie goro, Jolie Korie, Mororo, die. Asante, amen. Tuna Mungu. Tena mnajua mlima uko hapa. Number 8, that we respectfully call upon our brothers and sisters in Mount Kenya, including those living in the diaspora, to recognize the historic moment before us and to extend to His Excellency the Deputy President Kithure Kindiki the same spirit of solidarity, loyalty, and brotherhood that Mount Kenya East has historically extended to leaders from Mount Kenya West. Mnakubaliana na hiyo? Meragie goro, Jolie Korie, ne Korie, Mororo, die. Number 9, that the Mount Kenya East Council of Elders, comprising the Churincheka Supreme Council, Nyangindi Ndereri, Kiama Kia Mwembu, Ngome, Namwea Council of Elders, is here mandated to initiate structured and respectful engagement with the counterpart